Marhaba, I'm Angeline Fernandez, and the topic that I will discuss today is the flag of Kuwait. So, the flag adopted in 1961 and used today features the Pan-Arab colors. Red symbolizes the blood of war, white represents purity and noble actions, green is for Arabia's fertile lands, black depicts the defeat of enemies in battle. So this symbolism is drawn for the writing of Safi al-Din al-Hili, a 14th century poet. So, Kuwait is an Arab country in Western Asia, and the capital and largest city of Kuwait is Kuwait City. And Kuwait dinar is the highest value currency unit in the world, and Kuwait dinar is the legal tender of state of Kuwait, an oil-rich nation in the Middle East that is surrounded by Iraq and Saudi Arabia. And their major banks is National Bank of Kuwait, Kuwait Finance House, Gulf Bank, and Burgan Bank. So Kuwait is one of the richest countries in the world, and according to the World Bank, Kuwait is the fifth richest country in the all over the world. And so the current population of Kuwait is 4,349,380, and their language is Arabic. And Islam is the main official religion of Kuwait. And then their dress, and sa men, ang tawag sa kanilang dress is Dishadasha. And then sa female naman is Dara. And next is their cultures and traditions. So, Hala February. This festival is an annual month-long cultural extravaganza that takes place in Kuwait to celebrate the arrival of spring. So the country welcomes back the migratory birds, which add further color and beauty to the desert. And next is Ramadan. The holy month of Ramadan is celebrated throughout the entire Muslim world. So it is a month of fasting for the entire month. And Muslims abstain from food and drink during daylight hours. And Eid al-Fitr. This is widely celebrated event that marks the end of Ramadan. Children receive a money given by older relatives as a present, and gift are shared by all. And Eid al-Adha. Kuwait puts on their best clothes and visit friends and families to congratulate, offer gift. And dumako naman tayo sa foods nila. So, matchpus, their national dish in Kuwait. And kuzi, their traditional dish. And magloba, a popular dish served for family and occasion. And tashrib, a famous delicacy, is prepared during fall and winter in Kuwait. And their other foods, hares, jerish, kirs, kili. So, Next is greetings and response. So, marhaba means hello. Asif means sorry. Akid, are you sure? Masalama, goodbye. Lo sama, excuse me. The jadam in front. Aler yament to the right. Henna, here. Kaliwali, ibig sabihin leave it. Olyong means today. So let's count. So 0 is sphere, 1 is wahed, itnin is 2, talat is 3, arba 4, kamse 5, sita 6, sabah 7, tamanya 8, tisa 9, 10, ashra. And their sentence, when we say thank you very much, sa kanila, ang words na is shukran wayed. And then yung I'm fine or I'm good, sa kanila naman is ana zena. And their songs,
put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. والشمس بيجي وعطاحنا قبل اهتمامه يا بعد حد ماخذني صدوره احساس الخنقه والوحده لا من عشق غار قلبه اشتعل زار يحبني وهام بي حلويتك وانت في بالي هدف والسعيدك عمرنا يوم الوقت.
so that's all my report.